Well, I can't see to do the dirty dishes no more. What are we going to do about this? Just exactly what are we going to do? Oh, a tabletop dishwasher. Well, we're going to do an unboxing. But the first thing I got to do is I got to move all this right here so I can put it right there. Alright, let's find us a knife. Ha 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 ha. And let's unbox this baby. Let's see if we can put this bad baby to work. Because I tell you what, it's not easy being able to see and wash dishes. It's like, y'all make sure you check your dishes before you eat out of them. Because I can't see good. And here it is. And I'm probably going to have the boys come in and lift it and all this other good stuff. Let's see what I can do about it.
You ever want chicken for dinner?
Alright. Here's our paperwork. And here's... I don't want to tear up the box so I can use the box again. I'm crazy about that kind of crap. Alright, Mr. Richter. One of you boys. It's your turn. I got to open it.
That's fine.
I'm going to charge you for it right now. We're smoking my rolled cigarettes. If you ain't
yeah, that's what I'm doing. Put
it on the floor.
I feel like it'd be a lot safer. Trying to find food.
Pull it out with the bag. Two. See there? Look there. See, didn't that one that easier?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Yeah. Like now, if you want to, put it over there. Don't worry about the bag. We'll fight with it in a minute.
There you go.
Alright.
I got the bag and everything out where you can take it off, whatever you want to do.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Alright, now let's focus over here. And get rid of the bag. Let's see. Right here's some tape. Maybe. Alright. Find my knife. Yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh. I want to do this side the same old way. Get me some to hold on here. Okay. That side ain't gonna let go. Alright, I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's see what we got on the inside. Wow, I like the way it opens. It opens real easy. I mean, I can feel the magnets in it. And we got tape over top of the magnets. But you know what? I'm gonna leave it. And now, get rid of all this. And we have more tape. Oh, come on. I'm tired of this taping thing. What do I do with my knife here?
I don't know what is going on, but it's not letting me attack you if it's not giving me what I do.
There. Finally. Let me get rid of this. Getting on my nerves. We have a picture. Now this picture is going to be important. This thing right up here that has more tape on it. we have to pour water in there. So that means each time that I use that or use the dishwasher, I need to pull that out. Oh gosh. Okay. Now, let's see what this is. I think this right here goes on that. But you know what? If I need the boys, all I do is holler at them. Alright, I'm not going to do that. That scares me.
They might have some free
I got it really good. There we go. Alright, here's the washing dishwasher.
Well, supposedly,
Think.
does it say free with something else?
Oh man, this ain't gonna fit. This is not gonna fit. There we go, we're getting it. Dude, look at look. We have little tiny rocks in there. Wow. That's bad. No. It don't have the rings in it. Dadgummit. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. Yep. Maybe, baby. Okay, this has got 2 in there. We only need 1. The other one has to go to down here. We're going to do it. Alright.
I think I played it before.
That's finger tight. Now we have this, and I don't need it. Don't know what to do with that. Here we got 2 hoses. Now, one is to put the water in, and one is to put the let the water out. Oh, look at it. This right here. This one isn't the one that I actually wanted, but this is the one I got. So when you do your silverware, I've got a sticker on the back. If you take your spoon and lay it this way, this part will gather water. So you have to take your spoon and lay it this way. So you have to make sure your silverware is laying that way. But it'll work. Then you just slide it back up in there. Alright, now let's see if we can't turn it around.
Okay, Angela. You want to play with that?
And
Right.
let's see. Alright, everything is going to be right down in here. So, alright, this right here is for the water to drain. Let's see what we can get. This right here is the water drain. We need it first. It's the water drain. Alright. And I'm not gonna like this on this thing right here. I'm gonna want it back. And I'm going the wrong way again. So if we can't get it out on this side, or we have to. Alright. Now I want this over here. And this is supposed to set. See why I wanted this over here, so I can make sure I pull it down. Alright, I need a screwdriver. Alright. Got that. We're going to put it up in here. All the way up to the very top. Alright, drop down. And put it all the way up to the very top. Let me see if I can get it to show you. Can you see how I've got it all the way up to the very top? That's where we needed that.
Sorry.
You're okay, Rick. Kinda can't help it.
No, I can't.
What do you need?
No, I was just looking to see what you had going on.
Oh, I got it
You
going.
got, okay, if you need anything.
I know it. Alright, now we're going to tighten this right here down.
Well, you have to figure it out.
Crap.
And as long as you can't turn your thing right here that you put it on with, I forgot what they're called. As long as you can't turn it, you're doing good. Alright, let's go with the second one. One of the videos that I watched on this, but she made a mess of everything. Poor woman, I felt sorry for her. Alright. Now, we're going to take this one, and it will go right here on this one. And it has a cap, and look, it has water in it. Pull this back. There we go. Now, this is pretty easy to turn on too, because if you see it like that, but I need to get a pair of pliers or something so I can get a hold of it better. I don't have no pliers in here. That's these. Those ain't gonna work. Alright, let's try it again.
Let me see what we
With my
do.
fingers.
A pair of pliers.
Yeah. I got it. No. Scared the dog dead.
I know, my foot caught the door, so I'm supposed to get open.
Alright. So now I got that on. Now,
That's the, to put water in it.
to put water in it.
And the other one's to drain the water out.
Out. Right. Alright, now I don't want to lose that. I'll put that up there.
That comes off of here.
Yeah, I'm going to need that.
Yeah, that's the washer. Put it
yeah.
back together.
I'm going to need that. Alright.
I'm hoping all this is still done.
Now this is stupid. Look at the way that is. It makes it stand up. Alright, Cord, quit. That was funny. Okay. Alright, now I need these two over here. I need that one over there. Alright. Oh, you can't see it. That means I need to turn it so I can see. And get this little wiry thing off. So I can get to the cord. Alright. Gotta pull the cord thing off. Now it's plugged up. You know what? I could use it like this and pour my water in here and but you know what? I don't want to do that. Alright, now this is the one that stays in the drain. So let's see if I can take this
That was crazy.
and I want to pull it down. Come on.
Oh my God.
See, I've watched videos on this one, and plus the one that I really wanted, which the one that I wanted, we got a light. The silverware set way back here, and find it. Where's it at? Oh, been a snake and bitten. It was like this. It's just a small thing. I wonder if I could use it if I need to.
And they're not going after the people that's trafficking these girls all over the fucking world.
I can if I need to.
By taking them
Oh, but yeah.
there.
Look at that. Yep.
Alright.
Alright, I'm not ready for that. Or that. I'm going to use this one up here first. And it tells you that you need to put your the forks and the spoons over here, your knives and your Chinese silverware over here. Okay, let's go back and play. Alright, this one will go right there.
This does this fine.
And, well, I don't need that one. It's got 1 inch, so I'm not going to put it in there. It's just an extra one. Well, alright. I'm going to take it off of here first. And I'm going to put it on this first. Hopefully, it will be easier. Come on, thing. Work with me, not against me. Alright. I'd like to tighten this more. So let me go find me a pair of pliers. I'd like to tighten it better. Oh, I can't see. Well, I got a chunk out of my fingernail right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Hey there, Kaden.
You got a new microwave?
Huh?
You got a new microwave?
No, it's not a microwave. That's a dishwasher.
Beautiful one.
Yeah, Granny can't see no more. Wash dishes. She had to buy it.
How much was that?
I think like 300.
Squishy thing?
It's just a. It's a.
I know it's portable. I mean, you know, hook it and hook it back
Yeah.
up.
Squishy thing?
I call it a cheapo. But it'll. Hey, if it cleans the dishes,
That's all that matters.
I thought it counts because I can't see to do it.
I know, you're going to go to the doctor and get...
I'm going to go, but I got to wait till they call me.
I
They
know.
have to call me.
I know.
And next time that
Quit. Get it on.
Amanda calls me, I'm going to tell her I can't come and get them.
Can't see to go.
I can't see to go that far.
Can you wash the cups?
You want me to get them? You're going to bring them to me.
That's right. If you want me to watch you have to come and get them because I
Can
can't.
you wash the
Wait.
cups?
Yes, you can wash your
What are you
cups.
trying to do?
I'm hooking it up. Then open it. Oh, you turned it. There you go.
Mama,
Ain't
wash.
that cool?
It's kind of neat. I've seen them. I've just never thought, well, we don't pay for water, so using something like this, we'd probably get in trouble. Because we're using
It don't take that much water.
It don't.
It takes 2 liters of water. 2 liters, and they give you a bucket here,
Oh,
and you put it. See here, no, it's 1.8 liters.
and that's all it takes to wash one
I
off.
guess. See here, you put the water right up in here. There we go. Put your water right up in here.
Where's the soap go? That in that little spot right there.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. But yeah. And I can't wait to give it a try. I'm gonna give this a try.
Were y'all
first.
trying to get something to put to get it to be able to run?
Yeah, all we gotta do is just tighten this down with a pair of pliers real good.
Oh, the what, the
And,
bottom?
Yeah, the bottom.
12 ounce.
See, well, yeah, you're not gonna be able to do it.
It'd be about that big. This one was about
Yeah, you gotta have some.
You're gonna have to have pliers to do
this
it.
would be that big.
Well, if I can get the grip right here, you probably could.
And it just
Yeah.
cuts, it eats so
Good
well,
Lord.
everything's so perfect.
Come off again.
Figure it out.
Yeah, I got it on there, but I don't know if it'll spark water everywhere.
Yeah.
Hard
It ain't
one.
tight enough.
Ain't hot
He's
enough.
doing it with Bill. Not even
I'm gonna
one.
go see if I can find some pliers. I'm still hunting.
Alright.
I bet you I had a pair in the fucking tool, in the bag of his tools in the truck that I just took out before I came down
Yeah,
here.
probably did.
I wonder,
How
if
did
you want him, I might have some in the toolbox.
Alright.
how did it on? How did water on?
Well, I ain't got it there yet because I'm still going to see. Look, what? You see that water?
Yeah.
I can't have that.
You take the thing off.
No, I can't take the thing off. Then the water can't go in it.
Oh.
And I don't want that. I want to be able to wash the dishes. And that's a lot of water going to waste. We don't want that. Yeah. This bumpy? There we go. Ooh, I like that. Let's do that again. All right. Do that again. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Wow. That was neat. I like that. Yeah. You got a baby there, don't you?
Yeah.
I gotta go find me a fingernail file. Worst drives me. Alright, we got some wire cutters. Maybe that'll work.
Try to fix that.
No, those are.
I know, but if it'll hold to the.
But is it up, one of them open end?
I'm
No.
saying, to grip this.
No, Audrey, she got a pen.
Quit.
I told you no.
I don't know where she got it from.
What is this?
No, yep, no. There we go.
Mom. Good, what
I'm
is
just saying to hold.
Phone stuff.
What's that?
Don't have to be bigger. Goes to the big baby. And then go down.
Yep.
What'd I tell you? Go to
That's
the
it.
big baby.
Mom, this one. The big baby.
Oh.
This big baby. This big baby. Yep. The big baby. Right
Dang,
here.
damn it. There.
The big baby.
Now.
Look here, another woman of the house. Let's turn it that way.
Yeah. Click this. Ah.
Alright, now, no. You ain't taking them apart to lose them now. Daddy get mad at you.
Oh.
Yeah, quick, Kate.
It's really close.
Whoa.
Is it not working?
Making that face shot.
He woke up, he said,
Don't do that.
Do you have, like, a figure like an, I don't know, I'm trying to figure out how to, I can hold this and to where it's doing that, but it's hard to get
I said, I couldn't even
A
watch
grip.
how they
to
I said,
here,
they
move,
said,
turn the
"Watch."
bottom.
Right there. I would care.
Turn on, see?
It won't, I've already.
I'll never forget when he started. He started to walk.
Here, hold on, how'd you get this on here?
Just twisted it on, huh?
He said, "You're not welcome." Sammy said, well, I'm coming in. He said, come on.
Oh, she wanna go the same way I did.
He went to Sammy.
Take it off and then put it
There
on.
was somebody with Sammy. He said, come on, man, we'll just go to a different party, man. We ain't got to go here. He looked at Sammy for a couple more minutes. Then a couple more minutes. Goddamn, dude. You must have a reputation.
Fine. I'm trying to do it.
Well, his brother was the punk, and he was his baby brother. Dude, he beat the fuck out of some people over his brother.
Take it off there. Turn around, baby.
They
got
grow
it?
up over there. It's all cool too.
Yeah.
So they grow that together.
Don't let water go out.
It won't come out.
Oh, I know it. I just see
Now that top one had 2 washers in it. Right up here's the other washers we need.
Don't let the water underneath them.
I figured one would work, but we need that one. We got it. Yeah.
Need tide water. Cause it'll come right in here. We need tiny water to drop that water in it. And we'll clean stuff up. We need that cleaner. Everything's dirty, huge.
Yeah. I think Mom's happy now, ain't she?
Yeah.
She's in her momentum right here, ain't she? Hey, Rick, we need y'all's strength.
I've got it. I figured out how to do it. I just got.
She ain't got enough ice in her.
I got ass, but not enough.
She got a big
You
ass.
ain't gonna be no stronger than me.
Oh, that's probably not. Rick, you might want to get his
No,
I ain't no damn stronger than nobody anymore. I'm old.
You ever revive me? I probably wouldn't do you no good.
I got it a little bit higher, but it's still leaking
Sorry.
though. What I've been doing is holding the bottom and turning it with this.
What you doing?
What?
Yeah, I don't know.
Please, hand.
This right here.
Don't
Got it?
No.
High five.
I need no power pliers.
I had them ones, but it don't. I can't grip this part the way I needed it.
Oh, I need a pair that opens. This is not really power pliers. Let me go see if I can find the power pliers. That's more like that.
I got a pair of needle nose, but they won't open wide enough because they're small. They're very small compared to what we need. Alright, I gotta find my apple juice. Yeah, I'm having to quit drinking
And
Pepsi.
this goes to this.
Huh?
And this was supposed to go in here.
Yeah, that's the way it come out of the package.
It's not really a grip.
Right. Quitting it. Here, Superman. Let's watch here.
Mom, try again.
Trying to figure out where I need to go.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I know you're going in the opposite direction from where I need to be.
Because look, I ain't no help. I ain't no help.
You got something in your hand?
Is that working any better?
Oh!
Kind of still sliding a little bit. More. I'm good.
Better grip on it. It still ain't the best pliers, but it's better than what nothing.
You hold these. I'll try to turn it. I think I'm timing it.
Let's see what that does.
Here, hold on. While we're doing it. That was pretty. Oh, sorry. You good?
Yep.
Alright, never mind. Good. Sorry.
That's like what may have been worse.
Well, now at least now you can prove that you helped me leak
I
it.
don't think you're gonna be able to fix it.
Why? Like I said, you got
Oh yeah, the washer.
that washer.
Where did it go?
It was, I can't tell you, but I can't show you. Right in here.
But I think where it's
It's
coming
leaking
out
from
at.
here.
Oh.
Yeah, look and see where it's leaking from before you worry about putting that washer in if it goes in there. Well, I mean, I guess it could be coming from now. Let's see. Let's see what she puts this in.
Coming from the bottom.
Yeah.
Hey, see if I,
Right.
Justin, hold the pliers.
But it
Let
ain't-
me see if I can get
Maybe
all
you ought
that
to try putting the other washer in that one.
Take this out and put the washer in that one. Are there a
Yeah,
washer in it?
Knock your cigarette.
Baby, are there a washer in it?
Yes.
You don't want to put two
No,
in it.
no.
I'm telling you right now, you don't want to put two. Two will not make it better, it'll make it worse.
We don't have any of that tape that you,
Electrical tape or.
No, plumber's
Water
tape.
tape.
Yeah, I got
Grab
some
her
plumber's
here
tape
Yeah.
somewhere.
Alright.
I don't know where it's at.
You ready?
Are you loosening it or tightening it?
Tightening it.
It's tight. Believe me. If it's loose, it'd be coming, it'd been loose by the time.